And these 5 types of reactions are once again multiplied by 5, because we have 5 modes of acting through these 5 directions. The one is called acting by using the measure. We have shape outside, color, smell, taste, light, darkness. All these things are used as measures to know what is there outside. I have the shape of your face as my measure and the incidence of the light as another measure and your voice as a third measure and the dress you have as the fourth measure. Like this, I use all the available measures and come to the conclusion, this is Mr. So-and-so. And we react to each other. So we are using the measures through these 5 senses. And we are alternating the measures. That is, we are using one measure to understand the knowledge of another measure. For example, if there is flame, I should know it with the eye. But sometimes when I am lecturing, I grow emotional of the subject and stretch my finger like that when I am lecturing. And then there is burning. And I come to earth and find that something is burning. Then I understand that there is flame. So instead of knowing through the eye, sometimes I know through touch that there is flame. This is what is called alternating the measures for knowing. Third times, we use mistaken measures. These measures are sometimes used by mistake. When there is some sound, we understand generally that it is a motor car. Many times we are right. But sometimes there may be another sound of wheels running on the stone, and we may mistake that it is a motor car. And when it is cloudy yesterday, there were thunders, and we can very easily understand that they are thunders by listening to the sound. But when there is some disturbance in the stereos in this room, sometimes we may mistake that there are thunders outside. Or when there are thunders outside, we may mistake that the stereos are shouting. Sometimes we mistake one person to another. And we sometimes create humorous scenes. There is one Mr. John in India, and his wife died of cancer. One of his colleagues told his wife that John's wife died. There is another John working in the same office. So that wife, when she met another John on the street, she began to console him for 10 minutes. And this John was silently listening to everything, because he could understand the whole situation. And he said, okay, and went home. And she went home and said to her husband that I met John. And I consoled him. He asked, which John? She said, John Arnold. She said, you fool, his wife is quite okay. Like that, we sometimes use the measures in a mistaken way.